Good morning. Well, guess as anybody can see, there's nothing unique about my situation. I'm sure everybody's dealing with the same thing. Again, car down there I saw yesterday, of course, now it's totally covered. This person actually tried to walk down there to their car. I can't believe it. Once they got down there, I wonder what they thought they were going to do. Huh. Yeah. Huh. Somebody actually tried to walk there. My neighbor. Down the hill. I wonder what they thought they were going to do once they got down there. Huh. Of course, the car we saw down there yesterday is totally covered with snow now. The cars are covered up, pretty much. You know, the funny thing is, I thought, you know, if I were to walk down there to my car, you know, what am I going to do once I get there? Except make my way back. Cold, snow in your feet, your shoes, whatever. You guys remember from yesterday, this is a landing that I'm standing on, a flat landing. Believe it or not, it's probably at least off of this landing 1.5 feet, at least a foot, over a foot. Probably walk down those steps there where the concrete end is. 2 steps, 1, 2. If I were to step out into that snow right now, snow would be up to my waist. And I'm sure this is the same for many of you around here is looking at this right now. So as I said, I know I'm not unique. I'm not reporting reporting here first type of situation. I'm looking down there at the street and I'm thinking, what would a person do once they get down there? And maybe there was a rainstorm or something, and you think about a family member, a loved one, you say, oh, let me call them. And then you think, you say, well, maybe they may need something. And this is one of those kind of days you wake up and you go, well, if somebody needs something today or you wanted to really help somebody, there will be nothing you could do. Like as is the case with that car down there. This person actually walked through the car, and I'm thinking, when they were walking down there, what were they going to do? Did they forget something? Probably so. But, if it was just to go down there to check the car out to see whether or not you could shovel snow around it, hey, look, there's nowhere to go. Actually, that's a street down there. That car is parked at a curb. If you look around there, you can see, and nothing's happening. It's flat, it's level. Not one car has been passed through there the whole night. There's a fire hydrant. I heard on the news to say, hey, somebody said on the news, go down, clear, right, if you see fire hydrants, clear around your fire hydrant. Well, let me ask you, who's gonna go down there and clean around that fire hydrant? And once you get down there, you remember you gotta come back. So that's, I don't know who thought of that one. Of course, the cars down there are covered. That's quite a distance. You look at that parking lot. There would be there's my car right there, and it's the second car from the right. And I was thinking, why bother to even go down there? And I'm not trying to get down there at all, I promise you that. These people over here, the snow appears to be almost against the wall. Wow, that's a drag. And of course, we all remember that infamous car from yesterday that was almost covered with snow. Of course, as you can see, now it's pretty much totally covered. Just that one tire showing. And I really can't verify that the other tires showing on the other side, but I bet big money on it that it's not, because you can see this. The street is flat. And if you look at that fire hydrant there and look straight out into that, you can see now a car that's passed totally flat. And, well, I'll say this. The garbage is starting to smell in the house. Eventually I'm going to have to get out and do something. So, That's what we're dealing with. I hope your house is smelling just a little bit better than mine.